2016 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, navigation system, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.